Do you want to make money online? In this video, I'll share with you smart ways to make money online in Kenya through M-pesa. We all want to save on commuter expenses, don't we? We also want to earn money on the side during our free time, right? Well, what better way to do that than work online? Here's the great point. You get to work online and receive your pay via M-pesa. That allows you to pay your bills and do bank transfers as soon as you get paid. Long gone are the days when the only way to receive your payment for online jobs was through wire transfer and PayPal. Nowadays, M-pesa provides you with the flexibility of linking your M-pesa line to PayPal and do bank transfers conveniently. Having said all that, it's time I get to the spine of this video. So, if you're wondering how to make money online in Kenya through M-pesa, we'll look at 7 smart ideas that'll inspire you. But before then, if you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel to continue receiving great videos like this one. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get informed every time I publish a new video. Also, be sure to check out your gift in the description below. You'll find excellent free resources that will change your life. Let's get into it. Number 1. Sign up for online writing jobs. If you have a computer, excellent internet, and some free time, consider doing online writing. You can do academic writing, where you get paid to do assignments and research projects. Some of the best companies for that which pay via M-pesa include Uvo Corp, Falcon Writers, and Professional Writers Kenya. If the assignment idea doesn't sit well with you, then you can do content writing. You write web-tailored content like blog posts, landing pages, newsletters, and product reviews in content writing. The best company for that is Upwork. Upwork is a leading freelance marketplace where you can find all kinds of online jobs. In addition to writing jobs, you can find transcription, data entry, web design, proofreading, translation, and virtual assistant jobs, amongst many others. Depending on the job and your writing experience, you can make up to $50 an hour or more per project. Once the client releases your money held in an escrow account, it takes about 5 days to mature. As soon as your money matures, you can cash out via M-pesa anytime. Number 2. Become an affiliate marketer. If you have a blog or a massive social media following, affiliate marketing is worth pursuing. You are required to recommend products to your audience, and once they make a purchase, you earn a commission. Depending on the company that you partner with, you can earn a 1 to 13% commission. If you partner with e-commerce giant Jumia, you can get up to 13% commission. And if you choose fast-rising betting firm 22bet, you can get up to 45% of the stakes your referrals lose. Cool, right? The best part is that you receive your money in your M-pesa. Other exceptional affiliate programs you can join to earn via M-pesa include Kilimall and eMart. So, what does it take to make money as an affiliate marketer? The secret is to find a fast-moving product. It could be something that your audience needs or would love to have. For example, you could recommend a solar product to guys with electricity challenges. Number 3. Participate in online surveys. Online surveys may not pay the best in Kenya, but they provide you with an easy way to earn some cash on the side. With a smartphone, you can participate in online surveys on the go and receive a few hundred in your M-pesa. Depending on the survey company you sign up with, you can make 50 to 100 shillings per survey. Some of the best payers in Kenya include Mobrag, Triaba, Palm Research Kenya, and Geopal. My favorite is Palm Research Kenya, and that pays 10 to 1,000 shillings per online survey. The survey company has a strong presence in the US and in the United Kingdom. Triaba Kenya doesn't pay badly either, given that you can make up to 325 shillings per online survey. And if you don't mind transferring your earnings from PayPal to M-pesa, you can sign up with Swagbucks, iPoll, and OnePoll. Number 4. Invest in M-Akiba bonds. Did you know that you can lend as little as 3,000 shillings to the Kenyan government to fund different infrastructural projects? Well, that is what an M-Akiba bond is all about. Once you buy your M-Akiba bonds, the government pays you a 10% interest payable every 6 months, thus steady income. The best part is that the interest earned is tax-free, something that every Kenyan wants. You can buy your M-Akiba bonds via M-pesa by dialing *899# and following the ensuing instructions. As I mentioned, the minimum investment is 3,000 shillings, but you can do more. The bond has a 3-year maturity. That means you'll get your initial investment after 3 years, but before then, you'll be receiving the 10% tax-free interest twice a year. Given that the M-Akiba bonds are government-based and low risk, there is no doubt that the idea is worth a try if you are the investor type. Number 5. Start an e-commerce store. You don't need a physical store somewhere in town to sell things and make money in Kenya. You can launch an e-commerce store that targets the Kenyan market and get paid via M-pesa. So, how do you start an e-commerce shop in Kenya? First things first, you need to pick up a product that you want to sell. It could be anything, ranging from clothes to home decor to electronics. The next thing is to find a hosting service for your store. I recommend Bluehost. With just $2.95 a month, you can host your e-commerce store on Bluehost. What follows is installing WordPress that allows you to install an e-commerce store builder like WooCommerce or Shopify. Once you have the store builder installed, you can create an e-commerce store and customize it as you wish. After that, you can promote your store and wait to sell and receive money via M-pesa. Number 6. Flip items online. Are you good at sales? Then try item flipping. It's a smart way to learn how to make money online in Kenya through M-pesa. In this kind of online job, you buy items for cheap and then list them for sale online at a marked up price. A classic example is when you buy cheap furniture locally and then sell them at a slightly higher price on gg.co.ke, previously OLX. Since you'll be dealing with buyers directly, you can ask them to pay you via M-pesa. So what does it take to make money flipping items in Kenya? Well, for starters, you should only buy and sell fast-moving items. I had mentioned furniture, but others include power tools, appliances, sports gear, fitness equipment, musical instruments, and baby stuff. You can also flip houses. All it takes is buying an old home, fixing it to boost its resale value, and then selling it at a profit. Car flipping is also becoming popular in Kenya, and we are seeing so many people make huge profits from it. Unlike house flipping, you don't have to buy an old car and improve it before you sell. Instead, you should find a cheap car in good condition and get someone who can pay more for it. Some of the best Kenyan platforms for car flipping include Cheki, Pigiame, and Cars 45. Number 7. Try your luck with sports betting. I don't encourage this method because of its many shortfalls, but given its prominence in the country, it's worth a mention. Kenyan sport betting fans have a new name. They are no longer gamblers, but investors. That's thanks to millions of payouts in weekly jackpots. Well, online betting is a craze in Kenya, given that so many people lose their hard-earned money. But still, an equally impressive number receive thousands and some even millions of Kenyan shillings as payouts. Interestingly, a site like 22bet allows you to put a minimum of 22 shillings, but can earn you thousands if lucky. They have high odds, and you can enjoy free bets as a welcome bonus. There is also OD bets that's increasingly winning the hearts of many football faithfuls. You can start betting with 50 shillings, and the best part is that you can get a refund if you lose your first bet. Betika, Shabiki.com, and Betway are other high-odds sporting betting sites you can sign up and earn via M-pesa. The exciting thing about sports betting is that you can get your money as soon as the games are over, provided you guessed right. In conclusion, M-pesa is shaping up the online working and business sectors, so it's about time that we leverage the opportunities it presents. There we go! These are 7 ways to make money online in Kenya through M-pesa to get you started. I know this video was exciting and you loved it. I'll be happy if you like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. so you don't miss any other exciting videos like this one. Until next time, take care.